Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. I just came back from swimming and I just walk back like that. and so, one friend, yesterday I did a video of I was thinking I can open it up. Okay, that's good. Okay, yesterday I did a video because I did a video of what is going on today. Oh my gosh, this looks a little bit like those viral video of changing a person from, you know what I'm talking about. And then the short video of someone very kind and change a person's hairstyle and make this person a totally new life. Yeah, it looks very much like that. So yesterday I did an eyebrow makeup tutorial shamelessly, and then I got some friends say need to do a skincare routine. Okay, so this is my skincare routine. I go to swimming pool and swim and take a hot shower. Et après, I spray some almost long enough. I spray some tonic water. Yes, this is the tonic water from this big bottle. Light toning water, not tonic water. I'm sorry. Toning water. And then put on my face and leave for a couple of minutes. Now I leave it for a couple of minutes. Okay, now it's kind of getting dried and absorbed. I will take some cream, and I get these from Costco when they have sales, and that's it. And I will stop the video for a couple of minutes because I hurt people's feeling and by rubbing it on my face. People do not feel comfortable. Some friends, all of us, do not feel comfortable when we rub our face too hard. Well, that's what I do until the next morning. I will do it once again. That's it. Do I need some makeup? Maybe not. I need to wait it a little bit dried to do some powder. Foundation powder. Then the normal procedure, easy peasy. This time we make it even easier, peasier. One color and that's it. Ooh, that's a quite strong color. Very strong color. And it's not balanced, evened out. So you even it out a little bit, and that is it. Put a little bit of water. You know, I am curious why you want to see me do makeup. Because before and after there is no change. And then I was thinking, at least I have one thing in common with those beautiful stars. They are good looking before and after. I am not good looking before and after. At least we have one thing in common, that we do not change through makeup. The commonality of it. Okay, that's about it. I cannot see myself very well without glasses. So that is perfect. Oh, the most important. Maybe I should have my hair behind. There's no hope. Okay, however it will be, let it free flow. At least myself. Comfortable. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye.